Welcome to AI for All. This presentation covers the top AI news for the week of 12th January to 18, 2025. In this session, we will cover significant highlights from policy changes, corporate developments, and advancements in artificial intelligence. Let's dive in. The US has introduced new export quotas for AI chips. Countries are now classified into 3 tiers of access, with close allies receiving unrestricted support, while others face limitations. This move is designed to prevent advanced AI technology from reaching adversaries like China. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, reported record profits for the fourth quarter of 2024. The company attributes its success to a growing demand for AI-related servers and processors, with a forecast of mid-20% sales growth for 2025. Microsoft has announced major advancements in its AI capabilities. A new Koreai group has been established, pay-as-you-go agents introduced for Copilot Chat, and AI features bundled into Microsoft 365 subscriptions, which now come with a price increase. The United Kingdom has unveiled a comprehensive AI plan to drive innovation and economic growth. This initiative focuses on integrating artificial intelligence across various sectors, aiming to enhance public services and boost the economy. A key element of the plan is the creation of AI growth zones, which are designed to accelerate infrastructure development and attract private investment. This strategic blueprint underscores the UK's commitment to becoming a global leader in AI advancements. OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, has expressed confidence that artificial general intelligence, or AGI, is now within reach. This marks a significant milestone in AI development, with OpenAI focusing not only on technological breakthroughs but also on addressing ethical considerations and ensuring a positive global impact. As AGI approaches reality, its implications for industries and society at large could be transformative. Experts predict that AI will continue to play an expanding role across industries in 2025. AI agents are expected to significantly influence operations, driving efficiency and innovation. Additionally, there is an increasing focus on developing advanced AI infrastructure and hardware, laying the foundation for more powerful and scalable AI applications. These advancements are set to redefine how industries function and interact with technology. A veteran hedge fund manager has highlighted surprising growth predictions for AI stocks in 2025. The forecast emphasizes potential market shifts driven by advancements in artificial intelligence. With a focus on the long-term value of AI investments, these predictions suggest that AI will continue to reshape the financial landscape, presenting significant opportunities for investors in the years to come. Key trends shaping the future of AI in 2025 include significant advancements in hardware, infrastructure, and applications. These developments are expected to drive enterprise adoption, fostering innovation across industries. Experts predict that AI will continue to evolve, enabling businesses to leverage its potential for greater efficiency, enhanced decision-making, and transformative solutions. Amazon is transforming Alexa from a voice assistant into an AI-powered agent capable of performing complex, practical tasks. This evolution includes integrating generative AI into Alexa's brain, enabling it to go beyond simple commands like playing music. Alexa's new capabilities are set to redefine how we interact with AI in everyday life. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, has identified AI as a major growth area, focusing on building proprietary AI chips and funding innovative companies like Anthropic. Additionally, AWS is exploring nuclear power solutions to meet the growing energy demands of its AI operations, highlighting its commitment to sustainable and cutting-edge advancements. The Indian Army is set to replace around 4,000 pack mules with AI-powered robotic dogs. These advanced robotic dogs are designed to transport supplies in remote and mountainous regions, operating effectively in extreme conditions and navigating challenging terrains. This marks a significant technological leap in military logistics. Chipmakers are driving a surge in AI hardware innovations, focusing on developing high-efficiency processors tailored for artificial intelligence workloads. With AI hardware sales projected to grow by 30% in 2025, the sector is set to play a critical role in supporting the next wave of AI advancements. The global workforce is adapting to an AI-driven future, with a shift in skill demands as AI automates routine tasks. Education sectors worldwide are aligning curricula to prepare students for emerging opportunities, ensuring that future professionals are equipped to thrive in an AI-enabled economy. India has introduced a robust AI policy framework focused on ethical AI development and fostering digital inclusion. Plans include establishing AI research hubs in key cities and promoting public-private partnerships to accelerate adoption. This initiative reinforces India's commitment to becoming a global leader in AI innovation. AWS CEO Matt Garman discussed the company's focus on AI as a major growth area, emphasizing investments in building proprietary AI chips, funding AI companies like Anthropic, and exploring nuclear power to meet energy demands. Garman believes that while many companies have yet to fully embrace the cloud, the opportunity for AWS remains immense. Thanks for watching AI for All. We will continue to cover latest trends. Please stay tuned. Please like, share and subscribe AI for All.